Ma'am, nagbabago po bang kasaysayan? 1986. A nation's voice echoed through the streets. Hands raised not in surrender but in unity. Blood, sweat, and tears paved the way for change. But history has a way of repeating itself when the lessons of the past are buried beneath silence, when the truth is overshadowed by noise. Today, the battleground has shifted from crowded streets to crowded feeds, from raised fists to raised voices online. But the fight remains the same. A fight for truth. A fight for choice. A fight for the future.
Ma'am, bakit mahirap pa rin po ang bansa natin?
Bakit nga ba? What will it take for us to break the cycle? To learn? To question? To act before it's too late? In every ballot cast, in every story told, lies the power to change history or to repeat it. Ang bawat boto, bawat salita, dugo ng ating bayan. Huwag hayaang masayang dahil nasa atin ang kapangyarihan.